Hey gamers! Big news from Electronic Arts, EA is pushing the boundaries of gaming and AI, making it easier than ever for anyone to create their own games. Imagine being able to build characters, weapons, and entire game worlds just by using simple natural language, no coding skills needed. EA's Chief Strategy Officer, Mihir Vaidya, recently shared their vision for user-generated games, where players can design and develop immersive worlds in real time, all thanks to EA's massive AI-powered datasets. This technology allows gamers to remix and create unique experiences that could even evolve into the next chart-topping titles. What's more, EA sees a future where players and developers collaborate seamlessly, with new intellectual properties emerging from community creations. And it's not just EA, companies like Google are also diving into text-to-video game creation, proving that the future of gaming is all about creativity and accessibility.
To bring this to life, let me show you a concept video that stitches together some of our more exciting experiments in service of imagination to creation. Let's take a look.
Hey, what if we made a game out of cardboard boxes?
Yeah, let's do it.
Make a maze of cardboard boxes. What do you think?
Not bad. But maybe a little too simple. Make it more complex. How's that?
What if we make it multi-level? Whoa, let's give that one a go.
That's cool. All right, who are we gonna play as? Make 2 characters with weapons.
Okay, let's see. Here we
I
go.
like this one. Not
Now
that
my
one.
weapon of
How
choice.
Ooh. Not bad, not bad.
Okay, that's cool, but how do we fight? Show me 1v1 combat options.
It should be a death match.
Right?
Here I come.
You gotta find me first.
Wait, what if we made it so we could only die from a grenade?
Oh, now I'm definitely going to win. Add a rule that you can only die by grenade.
I'm almost there.
I've got something for you. Almost got you.
Nice try.
Ugh, dead end. I think this world needs to be bigger. Make it more epic. Wow. Are you seeing this?
Yeah.
That's awesome.